Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Perpetual here. If you're new, you're warmly welcome. And thank you all so much for joining me today as I make a quick and easy spaghetti and chicken stir fry. Come along and let's get started. I'm gonna start by cooking my spaghetti, and I'm just adding a lot of salt and a little bit of oil into my boiling water, and I'm going to add my spaghetti in there. Once it all fits in my pan, I'm gonna go ahead and cover it and let it cook until it's al dente. And for my chicken, after washing it, I'm gonna go ahead and season it and let it marinate for about half an hour before I start my stir fry, if time permits. If not, you can go right ahead. I'm starting with a bit of oil in my pan, and I'm going ahead to add my chicken, but just before adding my chicken, I added about a teaspoon of cornstarch to it just to coat it a little bit. And for some additional flavor, I'm just adding about a tablespoon of soy sauce. And once it's nice and brown, I'm gonna go ahead and start with my veggies. I'm going in with a bit of oil and some chopped onions and about a clove of grated garlic. And then I'm gonna add the rest of my veggies and allow that to cook for about a minute. Next up, my chicken goes in, and I'm gonna make sure that I get all the extra juices as well, as that is packed with a lot of flavor. And I'm now going in with a few tablespoons of oyster sauce. For my fit fam, if you wanted, you could stop at this point and serve it with a little bit of cauliflower rice. But in my case, I'm going in with my cooked spaghetti. And once it goes in, I'm just gonna toss it until my sauce and veggies are nicely incorporated into my spaghetti. And after tossing, our spaghetti stir fry is ready to be served. I'm just dishing a bit out, and I'm gonna garnish it with some spring onions, and for a little bit of spice, I am adding some crushed chili flakes as well, and it is ready to be served. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up, and remember to tell a friend about my amazing channel, and of course let me know when you try out any of my amazing recipes out. Thank you all so much for coming along with me on this delicious journey. Take care, guys.